This is my review of The Fields of Normandy by Mike Lambo. It's a solitaire war game, a book game. You know, I love historical board games and I have a huge collection, but unfortunately I travel a lot for my work and it's absolutely impractical to pack a large box game into my suitcase, and there's usually nowhere to play it anyway. So these games are ideal. Now, to play it, all you need is the book itself. You need 2 6-sided dice and a pencil and an eraser, and off you go. Now, this one, there's a series of these book games. This one is one of the earlier ones, and it's regarded as one of the best ones to start with. And it's set in France just after D-Day. And the rules that are fully explained in the first few pages are very clear and will take you step by step on how to play the game. You command a platoon of allied troops and split into smaller groups, a rifle team, a machine gun team, a mortar team perhaps, and even some anti-tank weaponry. And the Germans are controlled by the game itself, or the book. It's randomized with dice. Now, there are 15 missions in the book, and you can also create your own. And each mission has a map where you play the game, and also the charts on the other side where gives you special rules and different things about that particular mission. It is very replayable because the game is controlling the German side and they may appear at different places or in different strengths. And the first few games are quite straightforward, but then it gets more tricky as you go on, and you could be facing German half trucks or heavy machine guns, etc. Now, you normally play these with a light pencil, and then if you want to, you can erase it out and play again. But some people actually play it with counters that they make themselves or cut out from the book. Some people laminate the sheets and use erasable markers, etc. And some people even play with little figurines. Now, I think it is fantastic way to start and to play because you can stop halfway through. The games are only about 30 minutes or so perfect if you've just got a little bit of time and you want to play something, take your mind somewhere else. Whole series of these, I love them, and I think you will too.